Hello, and welcome to another update on Ethereum. I'm here on the daily time frame for Ethereum, and just a quick reminder that the $3,374 level, that's the 50% retracement level, is the key level here, which needs to hold to keep the directly bullish scenario alive. We could already be here in this larger degree fourth wave, but honestly, we need to see a little bit more evidence for that. For now, what I am actually tracking on the smaller time frame, as you will see, I'm actually tracking that we are already in, not already, but that we are still in this third wave. More specifically, that we're working on circle wave 5 of this larger degree third wave. So we could get one more high. That one more high is not needed, however. From a daily chart point of view, the main support is here between $3,374 and around about $4,060. So pretty much where that green line is located. You see it here. It's this swing high from March 2024. Price couldn't get above it in May 2024, and the level was tested again in December 24. Couldn't be broken. Now we've broken above, but yeah, there is not enough upside momentum to drive the price higher more directly. So get a bit of a pullback. Maybe this is simply a pullback, a retest above of from above of this green line, which could then set the stage for another rally to the upside, obviously, in circle wave 5. Yeah, basically one more high in circle wave 5 appears likely, and the next upside resistance level that we have on the chart, that is actually the all-time high. That is actually the $4,850 level, the yellow line. As you can see, this is the swing high that formed in November 2021. Let's also take a look at the shorter time frame for Ethereum, because this chart on the smaller time frame shows us the latest signals and, let's say the microstructure where we get signals first. What you see here on the chart is that the market is in this corrective pullback. It's classic corrective pullback structure. We do have here overlapping price action. You see that, we have overlapping structures. It's completely different dynamic to what we had here in this move to the upside. So something is shifted. It's a purely corrective pullback, but that's actually good. If the structure is different, it indicates that this is likely just a corrective pullback in an uptrend. So we might get that one more high. And if we get one more high, the area around 4,907 to $5,120 dollars, that would be an ideal target for circle wave 5. But as I said, once we break below this green line, we are likely in the larger degree fourth wave with support there around $3,370. Now, in the very short term, I think it's important to recognize that when we really look at the nanostructures, by the way, these change very often, so don't treat that as predictive. Based on the nanostructure, when we track this wave 4 correction as a WXY structure, as I have done, then the C wave that might have started here on Sunday, that's wave C of Y, it might need one more low. But then while the market can, let's say, handle, I think, one more low, that really must be it. I mean, more than, let's say, one more low means that we're likely going to go deeper than we ideally should in this fourth wave. But one more low is still something that's on the table. First indication for a low that a low has actually formed would be a break above the upper boundary line of this trend channel. So that's just a quick update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, chart updates, and much more. Also sometimes videos or charts that we don't cover on YouTube, so you can see all that here on X. The link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.